What's up, guys? This is John from johnmcneil.com here, and today we're going to be building a sales funnel in about 5 minutes. Now, guys, if you know anything about me, you know that I'm probably one of the most technically challenged persons you'll ever probably meet online. Me and tech have never gotten along and probably will never ever get along, but even me, who is super technically challenged, I'm going to go and show you how you can actually build a sales funnel in about 5 minutes utilizing ClickFunnels, guys, which is a funnel building software tool set for internet marketers, for anybody really that's trying to sell anything online. So in this video, we're going to jump right into it, and we're going to show you how to build a sales funnel in about 5 minutes, and we're starting right now. All right, guys, Sean from johnmcneil.com here. And just to be frankly honest with you guys, I really haven't had a lot of practice with building funnels in here. I actually just joined ClickFunnels, I want to say about a week ago, and I haven't really built anything in here. So I'm going to show you guys how easily and fast you can actually build a funnel, right? So just bear with me as we kind of go through this. So I'm just going to go ahead and browse funnels here. Then I'm going to click on add new. Then I'm going to click on create new funnel. And I'm going to click a funnel that is going to collect email addresses. I'm going to call it test funnel. And then I go ahead and say build funnel. Nothing too crazy technical, right, guys? And now I have all of these templates that I can literally just, choose from, right? So I can actually scroll down here and I can just choose from these two-step funnels that actually have a opt-in page and a thank you page. So I'm gonna go ahead and select one of these funnels. I'm just gonna select this one. I can preview it, or I can select template. I'm just gonna go ahead and select it because in the interest of time, I'm just trying to show you how easy this is, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and start editing this page. All I have to do is click on edit page. And then this comes up. So then I'm going to create my squeeze page. So I'm going to go in here and just click on settings. I'm going to click on, I'm sorry, I just click right into it. See, guys, I'm actually still just learning this stuff. I tell you, I'm not technically challenged. So I'm going to put in video reveals. And then I'm going to click in here and change this. How I made, say, $690.02 using all free traffic. Now this looks super ugly, but I'm just trying to get you guys to see that you can create a sales funnel within 5 minutes. And of course, I would go in here and try to make it look a lot more pretty, but I'm just kind of giving you guys an example. So I can go in here and I can click on settings there where it says download free report. I'm going to put download free video. Okay, change that. And guys, you can change any of this stuff. Background, everything's drag and drop. I can move stuff around if I wanted to. I can add a picture in here if I wanted to. Just trying to show you guys the bare minimums of how you can just get a sales funnel right off the ground. So say video reveals how I make $690 using all free traffic. So I wanted to, send somebody to a video that I did. So then I would just hit save there. I don't think I have to do anything with that. And then I can go ahead and exit. And then I'm going to go over to my, actually, let me check one more thing before I leave this page. I want to make sure that my autoresponder is actually integrated. So integrations, it's not connected. So I'm going to go down to my Aweber. So I just connected my autoresponder. I'm going to select 16. Yeah, that's fine. I'm connecting my autoresponder and then I'm dropping it to a list that I wanted to add it to. So now everything is connected. So if you guys didn't see what I just did, basically I just connected, like when I first signed up, I connected my autoresponder to the system. And once you connect it, all you have to do is tell it what list you want to send the emails to, right? So now that I've done that, I'm going to hit save again. Boom. Then I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go to my thank you page now. And on my thank you page, I want to add a video. I'm just going to do this basic thank you page here. And I'm going to hit edit. And I'm just basically going to say, actually, I'm just going to delete this stuff. I'm going to add a video here. So let's say, where are we at? Sections. Add section. Nope, that's not it. Elements. Add element. And I want to go down to video. And I'm going to drag the video right here. All right, so see how easy that was, guys? I dragged it up, and then I'm going to go to settings. And where are we at? I want to go to video type. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to go and grab a video from YouTube. So this video is going to explain how I made that money. So I hit share here. Control C and copy. And then I put my video URL here. Boom. So now we should be all good. And then you can always have like a call to action here where it says get access to the training, right? And then here would be basically where I would have my affiliate link. So say like download this affiliate link, I could go here, I can go to set action, and then I can put my URL, which would be, let's just grab an affiliate link real fast. All right, I grabbed the affiliate link, and then I can press that here. And then I can go back and I can save. And so I think I'm pretty much created my sales funnel. I didn't time it, but I know it didn't really take that long. And guys, you can see that I've been doing this. I haven't been doing this. You know, this is probably like my second funnel that I've created, but I just wanted to show you guys. If I actually put some time into this, this would look very nice. And you can create some beautiful funnels with this software too. So let's go ahead and actually preview it and actually see if this actually worked. So, okay, I got video reveals how I made $690.02 using all free traffic. I got my name here, download my free video. I click enter, crossing my fingers, hopefully it works. And boom, I got a sales funnel here. I got my video here, then which the people are going to opt in. They're going to play this video. I'm going to give them some great content, and then they're going to click here and go to my affiliate site in which they're going to go ahead and purchase, you know, the product, right? So this is basically like a two-step funnel where you're building your list, you're capturing the leads, and then you're sending them to some content first. You know, I talk about this all the time on my channel. You send them to some content first, and then you send them to the affiliate product, right? And then if I click on that, that should go straight to my affiliate product. Boom. Right? So that worked. That's it, guys. That's a sales funnel in 5 minutes. If I can do it, I fumbled in this video, guys, because this is, like I said, this is my second time even using this software. You can do this. Just think about it. You put just a little bit of time into creating your funnels. You're going to be building your list. You're going to be growing an asset that's going to be paying you for months and years to come. And then you have the ability to drag and drop and just put things in place super easy without all the technical HTML code and all this other craziness that we don't understand. This is John from JohnMcNeil.com. You can build your sales funnel, guys. You can do it with ClickFunnels. There'll be a link in the description for ClickFunnels below. Go ahead and give it a shot. You have a 14-day trial period. that you can just go in there and play with it for 2 weeks. If you don't like it, you just cancel it and you're never charged a dime for it. So click the link below, guys. Go ahead and jump and get ClickFunnels. The great thing about this is that I'm going to be able to start sharing my funnels with you guys. So as I'm creating funnels, I'm going to be sharing my funnels with you guys, my successful campaigns for some of my students. And then you guys are going to be able to, leverage some of my funnels and, hopefully make some money. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you guys got some value from the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below if you did, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.